this video we are going to Geneva Rock Mona Pit, and I'm recording while I'm on the freeway because I want to show you exactly how we get there. I'm going to show you a map here on Google Maps, and you'll be able to see where this is in the world. One thing I also want to cover is if you come from Tooele, I think Google Maps will route you through Eureka, and that can get a little challenging. There's a pretty steep road with some sharp turns in there, and you need to be cautious of that. So talk with your dispatcher about the best routing to get here. You can see the hot plan over here. We're taking exit 233 for Mona. We're going to fast forward through part of this. So here's the entrance as we come off of the pavement and onto the dirt. And you can see the hot plants over here. Don't get confused by the additional roads. So you can go way up on these roads around to the crushing pit and all that stuff. Of course, you don't want to do that, and that's the purpose of this video, is to show you exactly where you want to go. We're going to turn right towards the hot plant. And as you get up here, all the hot plants here, and they're doing some work as they're building more tanks. What you want to do is veer over to the right. When we get up here, I'll show you where the pump is, but this is where you're going to unload, is over in this area. So you're going to want to swing it over kind of where this blade is and get tight over here. You can see the asphalt pump and such back there. I'm going to jump out of the truck and we'll go show you how those controls work. Okay, so I'm out of the truck. Now, I didn't bring a semi here. I drove here in my pickup, but you know the principles about hooking up and such. As you can see, there's work going on here. Some of this is going to change, but for now, the process is something that we want to show you, and we'll make a new video when it's time. So what you're going to do, of course, is open your dome lid, hook up your hose, and open your sample valve. And you're going to go talk to the plant operator and find out what tank you're going in. Right now, the options are these two horizontal tanks, and all the valving is right here. So you're going to climb up here. This valve right here needs to be open. Right now, this valve's open, which means if you follow the pipe, you're going into that tank there. So if they tell you you're going into this other tank, then you've got to close this and open that valve there. Okay, so make sure you got your valving right. Of course, this is a little weird. It's portable tanks turned into stationary. So if you have questions, please ask the plant operator. They'll be happy to show you. After everything's open there, you're following the pipe. You follow it from the tank. Those valves opened. Then you would open this valve here, and then you turn on the pump by pressing that power button there. You'll hear that you have suction through your sample valve. Once you know you have suction, close your sample valve and open your valve to start unloading. Then, of course, you get all unloaded. You're going to monitor the tank levels, make sure that they're good, and that you don't overflow a tank. When you're all done, after you drain your trailers, you walk out the hose, get it over here. Again, and you might want to walk it out again. You're going to lay it off to the side. You can see how it's way away from everything. You put the hose up there so it's not dipping down, cleaned out the hose, yada yada. Then what I want you to do when you're all done is you're going to close that valve, then you're going to shut off that pump, and then you can shut your valves up there. Check with the plant operator, see if they need you to do anything else. After that, you're all done and good to go. Okay, now we're back in the truck. So how do you get out of here? Just follow the road, but let's show you where it goes just so you feel comfortable. You're going to wrap around their feeder bins, which of course their loader is going to be coming in and out of here. And Yellow Iron has the right of way. Make sure you spot the loader and don't get in their way. And of all these different options that you have back here, right now, your easiest path is to come this way. And then this is where you'll have belly dumps lined up. So just swing wide, come around their silos, and then exit out the way you came. Well, I hope that video was really helpful to you. If you would like, click over here. This is the subscribe button. You'll get more asphalt tips, tricks, safety videos, and stuff like that. After that, click over here to watch more of our videos so you can also become an asphalt tar master. Be safe out there and keep on hauling ass.